I hope all you are fine. My name is Hers. I am studying in final year in BPT in Marwadi University. Today I will discuss about in biostat in correlation. Correlation if two quantities where is such as the way that movements is one are accompanied by the movement is the other, then they quantities are correlated. For example, the following are some of the relationships: age of the husband and age of the wife, price of the commodity and demand, amount of the rainfall and the production of the rice, number of the television license approved and number of the cinema goers. The degree of the relationships between the variable under the consideration and measured through the correlation analysis. The measure of the correlation called the correlation coefficient summarized in one figure that direction and degree of the correlation. Some important definitions of correlation are given below. The correlation analysis deal with the associated between two or more variables. If two or more quantities vary in the understanding so that the movement is one tend to be accompanied by the corresponding movement in the other, then they are the said to be correlated. The correlation is a analysis of the between two or more variables. The problem of the analyzing the relations between the different series should be broken into three steps. Determine whether the relationships exist and if the does measure it. Testing whether the significant. Establishing the cause and effect of the relation if any. In this unit we are going to discuss only first aspect. Correlation analysis help us in the determine the degree of the relationships between two or more variables. It does not tell you anything about the cause and effect relationships. Even the high degree of the correlations does not necessarily mean that a relationship of the cause and effect exists between the variables. Correlation does not imply and the functional relation between the variables. Extents of the causation always implies correlation. By itself, it establishes only correlation. The study of the correlation is of greater significance because the following reason. The correlation coefficients help in measuring the extent of the relationship between two variables in the one figure. The correlation analysis facilitates the understanding of economic behavior and the help in the locating the important variable on which other depend. When the two variables are correlated, the value of the one variable can estimate given the value of the another. This is done with the help of the regression equations. Correlation facilitates the decision making in the business world. It reduces the range of the uncertainty and prediction based on the correlation are likely to be a more reliable or near to the reality. Thank you.